Hey everybody! So this is a makeup tutorial of the bronzy smoky look that I did recently, and I hope you like it. So first I started with some primer. I used the Becca First Light priming filter and I blend that all in. Then I go in with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer and carve out my brows and use it as a base for my eyeshadow. So I'm just blending it out right now and creating an even base for my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go in with this bronzy gold shade and pack it on my eyelids. I pack it pretty far up, a little bit over my crease because I like the appearance of bigger lids. And I do it with my fingers because I feel like it looks more pigmented. Then I go in with the brush and blend it all out. Now I'm going to take this rusty orange shade and blend my crease and blend it upwards, creating a smoky look. Then going with this light white gold, I'm going to go and highlight my brow bone. Then I go with the black and I start to create a V-like shape. This part can be a little messy, so we're just going to elongate it a little bit towards that brow line, but not completely, and make a V shape. I try to extend it to a little bit above my crease to give an illusion of a bigger crease. This part you don't really have to do, but it's something that I do to make my eyes look a little bigger. So I basically just do the same to the other eye as well to make it match, and like just blend and add some gold and blend some more, and maybe add some black and blend some more, keeping that shape and building on it so that it's as pigmented as possible. So time for eyeliner. I did my inner corners to elongate my eye, and then I start at my outer corner and make a line and then connect the two. So I can do a different more detailed video on how I do my eyeliner. If you'd like to see that, just leave a comment. As you can see, I'm doing it pretty thick in order for it to be a little bit more dramatic. We didn't finish with the eyeshadow yet. This is kind of just like a base look. It helps me kind of see where I'm going with the eyeshadow look. And I really recommend this to beginners because it really does help. And then, so this is me just doing my other eye and making sure that's proportional to the other side as well.
Like that.
Once you're done with the eyeliner, you go in with some black, and most people don't really want to do this because they feel like they'll look like they have a black eye or something, but don't be scared because all you really have to do is kind of like use a small thin brush and then blend it with some brown, and do it slowly and start small, kind of blend your way upwards. Once you see the shape that you really like, then we can start with our brows. So I'm just making an outline of the shape that I want. I usually like it a little bit thicker and longer than my natural brows. Yeah, and you just kind of like fill it in after, like with light feathery strokes. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. Wish it was just as easy as snapping your fingers, right? Now I'm just gonna go in and add some of that rusty brown underneath my eyes and add some dark black eyeliner to the bottom. So that's basically the eye makeup. And then, you just add lashes and mascara. And then I didn't include my face makeup, but I do have a video on how I do it on my IGTV. So now I'm going to show you how I do my lips and how I overline and make them look giant. So now I'm just going to overline my lips. So here I am going a little bit below my bottom lip to make it look bigger, and then I make an X at my cupid's bow. Then I start connecting the lines and line my lips accordingly. I go a little bit above. Point is to use a darker lip liner to give it depth. I'll list all the products down in my caption. So this is the final outline, and now we're gonna go into making it look bigger. So we have to choose a color that's pretty light. I'm using a MAC Cosmetics matte lipstick. Matte lipstick definitely helps make your lips look bigger. So this is the final look. So yes, thank you for watching. This was my go-to glam bronzy makeup look, and leave a comment if you liked it and if there's anything else you'd like to see. Bye guys!
And now let's